everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Bo English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. My name is Anya, and I am very happy you are here with us today.
Hello, Anya, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I am Tom, and I feel really good today. I feel happy to be here.
It is great to see you too, Tom. And you are right. You look very happy today. You have a big smile on your face.
I do. I think it is because the year is almost finished. When I think about that, I feel surprised and excited.
Yes, me too. I cannot believe it. The end of the year is already here. It feels like January was just yesterday.
Exactly. This year went very, very fast, like a fast car. Vroom!
Yes, vroom. Sometimes life feels like that. One moment it starts, and then it is gone.
That is so true. And because the year is ending, today feels special.
Yes, it is special. That is why today we have a very special episode for everyone listening.
Ooh, a special episode. I like special episodes. So, what is today's topic, Anya?
Today, we are going to talk about something very important. We are going to talk about how to plan your next year.
Wow, planning the next year. That sounds big and maybe a little scary.
It can sound big, yes. Many people think planning is difficult or stressful.
Yes, when I hear the word plan, I feel nervous. I think about long lists and many problems.
That is very normal, Tom. But don't worry. Today, we will make planning simple. Very simple.
Simple sounds good, because I am not very organized. My plans are usually messy.
That is okay. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way.
That makes me feel better.
Today, we will talk about easy ways to organize your life for the new year. No stress, no long lists, just small steps.
I really need this episode. I feel like my brain is full, but my plans are empty.
That is a good way to say it. And we will help you, Tom. And of course, we will help everyone listening too.
Thank you, Anya. But wait, before we start planning,
yes, Tom?
we must ask our listeners for a small favor.
You are right. Thank you for remembering. Dear friends, if you like our podcast, please click the like button now. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, and please subscribe to Mr. Bo English Channel. We want to learn English with you every week.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend. Maybe you can plan your next year together.
Planning with a friend is more fun, and you can help each other.
Exactly. Okay, Tom, are you ready now?
I am ready. I am sitting down, I am listening. How do I plan my year?
Okay, the first step may surprise you. It is not about the future.
Not about the future? But we are planning the new year.
I know, but first, we look at the past. This step is called reflection.
Reflection? Like when you look in a mirror?
Yes, exactly like that. You look at your year like you look at yourself in a mirror.
Interesting. So I look at my past year and ask questions?
Yes, simple questions. For example, what was good? What made me happy?
Ah, I see. I don't think about problems. I think about good things.
Yes, we focus on the good moments. We call these moments highlights.
Highlights. Like the best parts of a movie.
Perfect example. So now, imagine you have a notebook.
Okay, I have one in my mind.
Good. You write down 3 to 5 highlights from this year.
Only 3 to 5? Not 20?
No, not 20. Just a few. Keep it simple.
Okay, let me think. This year, I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds lovely. How did you feel?
I felt relaxed. I remember the sun, the sound of the water, and the blue sky.
That is a perfect highlight. And when you remember it, you feel happy again.
Yes, I do. It makes me smile.
That is why reflection is important. It helps you understand what is important to you.
I like that.
So I write, beach trip with family.
Exactly. And maybe another highlight?
I think I learned how to cook one new dish this year.
That is great. It shows learning and growth.
Yes, and I felt proud, even if it was just one dish.
That feeling is very important. Okay, Tom, so now you understand step 1.
Yes. Step 1 is reflection.
Look back, remember good things, write them down.
Perfect. Anna, can I ask something? Of course.
Why do we do this step first? Why not just think about the future?
That is a very good question. We do this because the past teaches us. Yes, when you see what made you happy, you know what you want more of in the future.
I understand now. If family time was a highlight, maybe I want more family time next year.
Exactly, Tom. You are learning already. This feels calm, not stressful.
Planning should feel calm, not scary. I like this way of planning. It starts with a smile, not pressure.
That is the idea. Okay, are you ready for step 2?
Yes, I feel relaxed and ready.
Great. But we will talk about step 2 in the next part.
Oh, a little break.
Yes, because good learning needs rest too.
That is true. I am excited to continue.
Me too. Dear listeners, take a moment now. Think about your highlights from this year.
Write them down if you can.
And when you are ready,
Come back for one big goal and small steps.
welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a nice short break. Hello again. I am back and I am still thinking about my highlights. That is perfect. Reflection is not something we do quickly. It stays with us. Yes, I feel calm when I think about the good moments from this year. That calm feeling is important. Now, let's move to step 2 of planning your new year. Okay, I am listening very carefully. Step 2 is about the future, but we need to be careful here. Careful? Is planning dangerous? No, not dangerous, but many people make the same mistake. What mistake? They choose too many goals. Oh, yes, that sounds like me. You are not alone. At the start of the year, people feel excited. They write long lists. Yes, I will wake up early every day. I will go to the gym every day. I will eat only healthy food. I will read 50 books. I will learn 3 new languages. Exactly like that. And what happens in January? In January, I feel tired. In February, I stop. That is very common. Our energy is not endless. That makes sense. So what should we do instead? We choose one big goal. Only one? Just one big thing? Yes, one goal that is truly important to you. That is hard. I want many things. I know, but when you choose one, you can focus. Focus. I like that word. Your goal can be about health, work, family, money, or learning. There is no right or wrong. What is your big goal, Anna? For next year, my big goal is health. Health. That is a very good goal.
But Anna, one big goal still feels big.
That is true. So we break it into small steps.
Small steps. Like baby steps?
Exactly. Very small and easy steps.
Okay. If your goal is health, what is a small step?
A small step could be walking for 20 minutes a day.
That sounds easy.
Easy is good. Easy means you will do it.
That is true. If it is too hard, I stop.
Yes, planning is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent.
Consistent. Doing a little every day.
Exactly.
So for me, my big goal might be learning.
I love that. Learning what?
Learning many things, but especially learning English better.
That is a wonderful goal.
So what is a small step for learning English?
You tell me.
Maybe I listen to an English podcast 2 times a week.
That is perfect. It is clear and simple.
Or I learn 5 new English words every week.
That is also a great idea.
5 words sounds small, but in 1 year,
Yes?
that is more than 200 words.
Exactly. Small steps become big results.
I like this way of thinking. It feels kind and realistic.
That is very important, Tom. Be kind to yourself.
Many people are not kind to themselves.
Yes, they feel bad when they miss one day.
I do that.
If I miss one day, I think I failed.
But missing one day is normal. Life happens.
So if I miss one podcast, I can listen again tomorrow.
Exactly. No guilt. Just continue.
That makes planning feel safe.
It should feel safe.
So now I write my big goal and my small steps in my notebook?
Yes, 1 page is enough.
Not 10 pages?
No, not 10. Simple is better.
I like simple.
Write your big goal at the top. Then write 3 small steps under it.
Only 3?
Yes, 3 is a good number.
Okay, my big goal, learn.
Good.
Small steps, listen to English podcasts twice a week, learn 5 new words every week, write 1 short sentence in English every day.
That is an excellent plan.
I feel proud already.
You should. You made a clear and kind plan. Anna, something feels different this time. What feels different? I don't feel stressed. I feel motivated. That is the goal of good planning. Planning usually makes me tired, but this makes me excited. Because you are planning for real life, not for perfection. That is a big lesson. Okay, Tom. We have reflection, we have 1 big goal and small steps. Yes, I feel like my plan is growing. In the next step, we will talk about time. Time? Yes. How to use a calendar to help your plan. Oh, I think I need that. Many people do. I am ready. Great. Dear listeners, take a moment now. Think about your 1 big goal and think about small steps you can really do. When you are ready, come back for using a calendar and choosing your word of the year.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are feeling calm and motivated.
Hello again. I am feeling very good. I even found my old notebook during the break.
That is great. Are there many empty pages?
Yes, many empty pages.
That is perfect. Empty pages mean new beginnings.
I like that idea.
Now let's talk about step 3. This step is very practical. Practical sounds useful. Step 3 is using a calendar.
A calendar? Like the one on my phone?
You can use your phone, yes, but I personally love a paper calendar.
A paper calendar? Like a big one on the wall?
Exactly. When you see the whole year, it feels real.
That makes sense. On my phone, I only see one day.
Yes, a big calendar helps you see time clearly.
Okay, so what do I do with the calendar?
First, write important dates.
Like meetings?
Meetings, yes, but also fun and personal things.
Oh, like birthdays.
Exactly. Birthdays of family and friends.
I am not very good at remembering birthdays.
Many people are not.
Last year, I forgot my sister's birthday.
Oh no.
She was not happy.
I understand. That is why a calendar helps.
So I write her birthday on the calendar?
Yes, and you can add a reminder.
That will save my life.
And your relationship. Next, write holidays.
Like Christmas and New Year?
Yes, also national holidays.
That helps me plan rest.
Exactly. Rest is as important as work.
I forget that sometimes.
Many people do.
So I write holidays in red.
That is a nice idea. Colors help us see better.
Anna, can I ask something?
Of course.
You said planning is not only about work. What else should I plan?
You should plan fun time.
Fun time? I need to plan fun?
Yes. If you don't plan fun, life becomes only work.
That is true.
Fun can be a vacation, a trip, or a simple weekend.
I like camping.
Perfect. When do you want to go?
Maybe in June.
Then write camping trip, June.
When I write it, it feels exciting.
Exactly. Writing makes it real.
I can already imagine it.
When your calendar is full of colors and notes, you can see your year clearly.
I like that. It feels organized.
Organization brings calm.
That is true.
Now, Tom, we come to my favorite step.
Oh, I'm curious.
This step is choosing your word of the year.
One word?
Yes, just one word.
What does that word do?
It becomes your theme, your feeling for the year.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. My word for next year is calm.
Calm. That is a beautiful word.
Thank you. This year was very busy. I want next year to be slower.
Slower sounds nice.
When I feel stressed, I will ask myself, is this calm?
That helps you choose.
Exactly.
How do I choose my word?
Think about how you want to feel next year.
Do you want to feel strong, happy, focused, curious? I think I want to feel curious. Curious is a great word. Or maybe learn. Learn is perfect for you. Yes, when I don't want to study, I can think, my word is learn. That is exactly how it works. This feels powerful but simple. Simple things are often powerful. Where do I put my word? Write it in your notebook. Put it on your desk. Make it visible. Maybe I can put it on my phone screen. That is a great idea. So when I see it, I remember my goal. Yes, it becomes part of your life. Anna, we are an English channel. We should talk about planning English. Of course, English is part of many people's goals. I always say I want to be fluent. That is a nice dream, but it is very big. Yes, it feels far away. Instead, make it practical. Like listening to this podcast? Exactly. Maybe every Tuesday. Tuesday can be my English day. I love that. Or I can write one sentence in English every day. That is excellent practice. Small steps again. Always small steps. Anna, I feel ready for the new year now. That makes me very happy. Reflection, one big goal, calendar, word of the year. You remembered everything. Planning does not feel scary anymore. That is the best result. Is there anything else? Just one small fun thing. Oh, a nice notebook. Ah, yes, a new notebook. We will talk about that in the last part. I'm excited. Dear listeners, take a moment now. Look at your calendar. Think about your word. And get ready for a fresh start and a calm goodbye.
Welcome back, everyone. This is our final part today.
Hello again. I feel a little sad and a little happy
Why both?
because this is the last part, but I also feel ready for the new year.
That is a beautiful feeling. Now, let's talk about something small but very special.
I think I know. The notebook.
Yes, a new notebook.
Why is it so important?
Because it gives you a feeling of a fresh start. Clean pages. No mistakes yet.
I love clean pages.
A new notebook is like saying to yourself, this is my new chapter.
That sounds very nice.
You can write your big goal on the first page.
And my word of the year.
Yes, make it beautiful.
Can I use colors?
Use all the colors you like.
Blue is my favorite.
Perfect. When something looks nice, we want to use it. Okay, Tom, let's review everything we learned today.
Good idea.
Step 1, reflection.
Look back at the year. Remember the good moments.
Step 2, one big goal.
And break it into small, easy steps.
Step 3, use a calendar.
Write birthdays, holidays, and fun time.
Step 4, word of the year.
One word to guide your choices.
And finally,
Plan your English and get a nice notebook.
perfect summary.
Anna, I feel calmer now.
That is wonderful.
Before, the new year felt big and scary. Now it feels friendly.
Planning helps the brain relax.
Yes, I feel like my thoughts are in order.
That is the power of simple planning.
I also feel better about learning English.
That makes me very happy.
I don't need to be perfect.
No one is perfect.
I just need to take small steps.
Exactly. And we will be here every week.
Tuesday is Mr. English Day.
Yes, listening a little every week makes a big difference. Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
What is your word of the year?
Write it in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
Your words can inspire other people too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you for learning with us.
I believe next year will be a good year.
Me too. One small step at a time.
Happy planning, everyone.
Take care of yourself.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Goodbye.